Hey guys, so short video on how to find the heights above the midpoint. Since last video showed you how to do below. Below, remember you draw these triangles, 30 degrees here. Yeah, that'd be 30 degrees, that'd be great. And you find the green point, that height, by finding, say, this side length. And yeah, subtracting it from the midpoint value. Well, here, if we got a little bit higher, another point later on, you're gonna do a similar thing, right? So you find this point by finding that height now and getting that height by taking this height and subtracting that height, right? So you got those values. Then for above, you're just going to draw another 30 degrees triangle. So now you have the midpoint height, that's right here, however high the middle of your Ferris wheel is. Yeah, that would be half of the diameter, right? Plus this initial height, if you need that. And so then you're just going to find that that side of the triangle again. You know the hypotenuse because that's the same as the radius of the Ferris wheel. And then there's your total height right there. Hope this helps.